Hello, everyone. Today's actually a really cool day because we're finally getting to the point of okay, when are we using this? Like, in what context do we use these equations? And like I said, if you were in class with me the day we went over these graphs, is that looking at solutions to graphs is how a lot of big decisions are made. So when we're talking about the business world or policy or all sorts of things, they make mathematical models, and from there decisions get made. So the things that we do today are pretty much showing you how this works in the real world. So first, this is a pharmaceutical scientist is studying two medications, wonders how long different amounts of each medicine stays in someone's bloodstream. So which is going to be more effective. So what we have is the equation of the first medicine, which is your f of x equals negative 1.5 times ln 1 over x, which is modeled by the blue line. The function of the second medication is our negative 8 times ln 2.1 over x, which is modeled by the pink line. So both of those had a process where they came up with models of how long it stays in the bloodstream. And we want to know where do they intersect, and what does that mean? So I've kind of put a little point where the two lines intersect. And there's kind of two things. There's a math model of what it means, and there's a real life. So in math, what that means is that this equation from my first f of x is equal to my other equation. So in algebra 2, we can think of that as this is where we solve for x. In real life terms, what this says is that this is the time when both medicines are equally effective, or when both medicines have the same amount in the bloodstream. So you can see that second medicine starts off less effective, but then over time it becomes more effective, which is why they cross. Sometimes two lines don't intersect, and so you have a clear winner. Other times you have to think about the context over time in which you're going to take the medicine. But that's kind of theoretically what all this means.